First set pa lang. First pa lang guys. Ngunit sa Instagram, kasi restricted ako dito.
Ay, girl, life
You look gorgeous in blue hair. Thank you. Actually, narit ako kahapon. Sabi ni J Queen, I need to buy more blue wigs daw. Hindi gagala tayo tonight. Yes. Maraming salamat. Pasarap ng mga bata. I'm like half naked, honestly. Thank you po. Hindi gagala dito tonight. Baliw-baliw yung hair. Sino to? Essential. Thank you po. The blue wigs look nice on you. Thank you. Wig to never sex. Nung na-eliminate siya. Tama ba? When you eliminate. Episode 2 Never Sex. Thank you po. Alam ko very nice. Thank you po. Sabi ni Jake, bibili daw ako. Ito yung look niya, diba? Episode 3. Episode 3 design pa. Angel na eliminate. So technically, third out ako. Sorry. Restricted pa rin. Tama ka. Sino kasama ko? Yung drag daughter ko. Tapos sila, the girl. Last na ko ulit, special guest pa kasi yung babae. Okay, off to Instagram. Ayan, restricted na ulit, special guest pa kasi yung babae. Okay, off to Instagram. Ayan, restricted na